Hello, Oldies and Goodies here. Well, we're back. We're back with another mail call, and I'm going to show off my sticker board finally, up close and personal. You know what I mean? I'm going to have to move some of the extra stickers that I have of you know, certain channels that I have extra stickers or magnets up there, and move them to the side. That way I can fit a few more channels that I'm going to be getting more stickers here shortly. And I'll start by these two right here. Michael Kittle. Michael Kittle. Very, very, well, let's put it short and sweet. A little bit of music or whatever in the background showing off his expensive slab coins, etc. He does have other avenues, but I got a letter from him, or note. Hi there. Enclosed, please find one of my new channel stickers. I hope there's still room on the fridge. Well, you made the fridge. As I said, I'm going to move some of the extra ones to the side that I have up there and try to start fitting some of these because I mean, there's a lot of channels that I watch, and I don't have. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I don't have. I don't have all the channels that I watch yet. Now, there's channels out there that I'm subscribed to that I'm not. They're not gonna make stickers until they start at least get over 500 before you start doing the stickers. That's just a word of caution. I mean, there's get over the 500 mark. That's a big leap. Getting over 100, that's cool. But 500 is a mile marker. The 1,000 is definitely a milestone. But Michael Kittle, rare coins. And of course, I've already taken this. I'll do a little trim in there. But he's showing a 1909 plain. Oh wait, there's no back to it. Anyways, I already made it into a magnet. So that's pretty cool, Michael. And then I got his business card. His channel is Michael Kittle Rare Coins, and you need to subscribe to him. There's going to be a bunch of channels here I'm going to be listing. It's going to be in the description below. I'm not going to go through and do the shout outs, but I'm going to mention every single person in this video. Whoa, that's a lot. Okay, well, there's Michael Kittle. We'll put him right here. Alright. But he has some awesome looking coins. He is definitely a collector. And then this is precious metals. Okay, the note's going to go to the side. And, of course, I already opened it. And it says, "Hey Al, thanks for the sticker trade. I hope it all is well. It's been fun having it out with you." I don't know why I say. Yeah, I give a lot of people hell. I just hope everybody takes it with a, not a grain of salt, but for a learning thing. Cause yeah, just take, if you're upset, you want to, I say something that you don't like, just question me, okay? Normally, it's usually I'm joking with you or just going with it. And then it says, "Take care, precious metals updates." And, granted, I'm not into stacking, stacking. I'm more into collecting or giving away my coins. As if anybody hasn't seen it, I put out a video today yesterday on Sunday for a 1K giveaway from Oldies and Goodies. There's 7 winners, and oh wait, I'm advertising, sorry. But anyways, here we go. We got precious metal updates. And this is about the average size of a sticker. It's usually round because that's what your channel logo is, you know, that it shows up. Look at that, New York. I don't know what National Association, blah, 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 blah. Okay, NASDAQ. But, yeah, I'd like to know prices on silver and gold. And just because. Knowledge is everything. So if you have the knowledge or, you know, have an idea, you know, do some reading, research, and all that. Even at 3:30 in the morning, I'm getting notification. It never stops. That's how many channels I'm subscribed to. They just keep coming and coming and coming, which is just good. It makes me feel that people want to ask for advice or just hang out or say, hey, what's going on? Hope you're okay. You know, things like that. It just makes you feel more welcome into the community. And I apologize if, you know, Jacob the other day, was it Jacob? Yeah. Anyways, it don't matter. But he realized that I was joking, but somebody else didn't. And like I said, you say something, somebody's going to take you for how you said it in their context. And this is just a coin community. All we're doing is trying to figure out and learn how to collect coins or what we should do to, even if it's self-worth or gain, you know, that's the other thing, you know. Some people are out just for the money. Some people are out there just for the fact of they need some friendship. You know, just understand that. So there you go. I got 2 stickers to put on my, here, I'll put it on right now. That way you can see it going on. Michael Kittle. Precious metal. See, I don't have to stick it with a sticker. It's on a magnet. There we go. That's the next row. But as I said, I'm going to move some of the extra stickers off and keep, and that way I can still have room to go all the way to the bottom of that fridge with all my subscribers. I don't know how many are there. I'm counting maybe 80 to 100, and come on, I'm 1,100 subscribers. I figure there's like 200 channels out there that I watch, constantly watch, and I'm not counting Hoover Boys and all that. Those are the ones I like to watch for metal detecting purposes. Stealth diggers. So, all right, moving on. I'm going to show you my sticker fridge. Hey, there it is, up close and personal, and we're going to get even closer. Okay, we got ourselves Private and Metal. Last Christmas, or this last Christmas, I handed out copper rounds to everybody I had addresses to. Crispy's Kiwi Adventures, we talked about him. And we got BC Nevada with the little pistolas. You know, he pours. Kane Beepin. Kane Beepin's a good friend. He's always commenting. Zero Discrimination. She never answers my she never answers my comments. SJ always does. One way or another, it's fantastic. But I love her. Digging with Deej. Redneck Stacker. Redneck does a rat. Redneck Stacker does a rat. And then you got Bubba's Coins. It might be a little off here. The Gilson clan, which is like seven family members of that Gilson clan. WB Booties, Lemonhead Penny, Adventures. He's in New Zealand. He's only like, I think he just turned 10 or getting close to it. He's 10 years old, 9 years old, whatever. Lake House Beach again. Ribbondale Coins. Very nice sticker there. The Dime Digger. And then there's a Lemonhead Penny again. I can't wait till he starts coming back so I can mess with him. And then you got BC Coins in Nevada with the skulls. M.A. Lyman. Let's see if we can get really, really personal and up close with him. No? Okay. Well, you got Lucky Coin Hunter, which just went by. Lake House Beach, Silver Giveaways, Kings and Queens Stacking. I love that. I love that logo, or I like that sticker. That's really cool. TLT Hunter, one of his first ones with a penny. I think it was one of his first pennies. Then you got BC Nevada again. Compliments of Lake House Beach. You got King's Coins, which has did I just skip over Lake House? Nah, whatever. Silver Giveaways again. Rob Random. And then we got Gold Washing. Part-Time Detector, Amy. Great gal. NATV. We got Nick and Austin. And then that Reaper I got from freaking Rob Random. That was my first sticker from him. Hold on. Get back over there. Hold on. We're running out of... Oh, damn it. Okay. We got Joel from Drummond to Detect. Pam's Creative, which I haven't seen her in a while. And I think her channel got taken down. Then we got Bubba. Anyways, Shane and the Nieces. And then we got KS Palers, Lemonhead Penny. And then we got Silver Wheels. And then we got 5280 Adventures, King and Queen Stacking, Todd Miller. Well, I only got one magnet up. I got 2 more stickers of yours. And the glow in the dark's not up. Silver Madness, big magnet. And then we got Rico or Richo. Still ain't gonna figure it out. Palm Z, Tamako Enterprises business card. I've even made that into a magnet. I'll put that to the side. The Stacking Stormtrooper. Hey, Stormy. And then we got the Little Whiskers, which is from Shane and the Nieces. That was one of the first stickers I got from them. The little kitty cat with whiskers. Lemonhead Penny again. There we go. Isn't that sweet? And then, oh, wait, I forgot about Youper Girl. Hey, Youper Girl. Bella's Penny Hunt. Coin Hunt. You got B3 Relic. And then TLT Candles. Ace Boyan, which is John RMS. Broussard. Hey, Crystal. How you doing? Don't answer that. And then another TLT sticker. And then we got a Kevin Rose that I went by. That was a big sticker. That was lovely. That's Coin Card Hobbyist, which is Amanda. Then you got Coin Collecting Colorado. Another Lemonhead Penny business card. Ace Boy and Big Flip, silver and the gold. Rico's up and awake. Australia's awake. Slacker Stacker. John Wolf with a single F. ECP, East Coast Prospecting. And then it is me, Brian. So, oh, lest we forget Dirt 30. George, the dirt nerd himself. He's into doing Green Thumb right now. And then there's an overview of it again. Oh, let's go over to Part-Time Detector's redneck type goblet. beer goblet. That's one of the old detectors. That's 1984, I think. That one's like a 1986 model. These are all the machines I used to use back in the day. And here's my new AT Pro as of 4 years ago. And then I got stickers on that. That's a Listerine bottle. And I have it with Velcro. And it sticks to the metal detector with a strap. There's a quarter hoarder. KS Paddlers, the original sticker. Lemonhead Penny. And then right on top you have You're Digging It, which is close to me. It's Syracuse. That's the closest metal detectors. And he does kind of like a paper and stuff. So that's about what we have with my sticker board. And I'm missing many more stickers of channels that I watch, or channels that do have stickers that we haven't taken care of yet. So getting back, we'll put Michael Kiddo back up. As you can see over here, wow, beer can's going right there at the bottom. Michael Kiddo and Precious Metals update. So there's my sticker board. Finally showed it off completely. Like I said, I'm going to do some moving around and try to move into the spots, move them up a little bit, try to make more room, because I know I'm going to fill this refrigerator probably all the way around. But like I said, they're all magnets. I turn the stickers into magnets. So for this session of Oldies and Goodies mail call, God bless everybody. Oldies out.